now we're going to go and eat at the Old Famous Jalebi shop in Chandni Chowk. Apparently it's very, very famous and it has the best jalebis ever. So let's go and find it. See where that shiny writing is? That one that's lit up, Kiran? The green and red. That's where it is.
There's traffic as well as people walking. I don't know what to do.
It's a bit crazy, isn't it? So I can just see the signs for the Old Famous Jalebi Wala, and I've put on weight. I need to exercise and run. It seems to be quite difficult to do that in India. But anyway, here we go. Let's give this a try. So Old Famous Jalebi Wala. Oh, they're making it fresh. So, making the samosa. It's making the samosa. At the moment. No, but it comes with like a plate. That should be enough. Thank you. I'm going to put that sauce on it as well.
You want two, so you have to eat many of them.
Why, just get one, Kiran. Stop being greedy. Let's get one first. Thank you. Find somewhere to
He said you just stand here.
sit and eat. Or stand and eat even. Hey. Come take a picture of it. Take a picture of it. Hold it up then. Take a picture of Kiran.
Come to the side. It's really close here. Come stand here. Come on, let's stand over there at the traffic.
Go on then.
At the traffic. Come on.
Or do you? I don't know. I can ask him.
Too late now. It's sweet. Sweet.
Oh wow.
Jalebi. Bite. Bite. Try it. I'll try it. How much is it?
75. 50 without the rubbery. 75 with the rubbery. I need to get another one.
If it's so famous, why is it just like in the middle of crap?
Because it's famous, because it's middle of the crap. Because it's been here for donkey's years, that's why.